Hello guys, review smartphone Samsung Galaxy A9. Start unpacking. Open box. Look completion. Device in the black color. Okay, look him later. In completion we have paper, headphones, USB Type-C cable and adapter for charging. Adapter for charging 2 ampere. Okay. And now talk about the phone. Phone made of glass and metal. On the back side we have quad camera, LED and fingerprint scanner. On the front side we have display 6.3 inch, front camera, talk speaker and sensors. On the right side key for Bixby. On the left side key for Bixby. On the right side power key and volume keys. Upside slot. Downside USB Type-C port, headphone jack, speaker and microphone. Okay. Turn on device. So display Full HD Plus. Open settings, look Android version. Android 8.0.0, Samsung Experience 9.0, version Knox 3.1. Open Geekbench 4, talk about system information. CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 660. This is octa-core processor, 4+4 cores. First 4 cores work 1.8 GHz and second 4 cores work 2.2 GHz. GPU Adreno 512. RAM memory 6 GB, Intel memory 128 GB, and we have slot for micro SD card. So look results. This CPU test results, single core score, multi-core score, and GPU test results. Okay, close this. Open next test. Antutu benchmark. Look Antutu score. Antutu score. Look ranking. And multi-touch test display. Touch support. Display support 5 touches. Okay. Ranking. In the ranking we have 44 place. Okay, it's good. Close Antutu benchmark and open demanded game. Demanded game GTA San Andreas. Look how GTA San Andreas work on the device. Okay. So graphic level medium. Turn on max graphic level. Start game. Look. Game works normal or not. Okay, game load. I hope game not crashing and work normal. Okay, works good on the max graphic level. Very good graphics and smoothly playing. Close GTA San Andreas. Game works very good on this device. GTA San Andreas, PUBG Mobile and other game like this works good. Next test camera. Quad camera 24 plus 10 plus 9 plus 5 megapixels and front camera 24 megapixels. And now I show you photos on this camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.